So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Amazon's off-campus drive 2021, which is applicable for the freshers as well as for the experienced candidates. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding the latest off-campus drives and the job references or the lateral hiring updates. And also you can join our official Telegram channel called latest off-campus drives for you. So I'll be putting the Telegram channel link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to join our Telegram channel more easily. So now let's discuss about the job role or the job position and the different eligibility criteria. So the job profile, they're hiring for the programmer analyst and job location is Hyderabad and salary will be getting 7.6 to 15 LPA plus according to the Glassdoor review. So they have not specified or mentioned the salary will be getting for this job role in their official website. For a reference purpose, we have added the salary structure according to the Glassdoor review. So this is the average salary that the employees or the people are getting in Amazon for this job profile, specific job profile. So you may get much more than this according to your skills or experience. Then the experience required is 0 to 5 years. That means freshers can also apply for this job role. Then batch, any batch. That means starting from 2016 or 2015 up to 2021. That means the current year of pass out or the batch. 2021 candidates can also apply for this job role. Then qualification, any bachelor degree. That means BE, BTech, BSc, MCA, etc. Then employment type is the full-time employment and role category is software development only, and interview location is online interview process or the virtual interview process. So now let's discuss about the basic qualification requirements. So bachelor's degree in computer science or the related field. So that means the non-CSIS candidates like mechanical, civil, electrical are not eligible for this job role or for this off-campus type, unfortunately. Then with 0 to 5 years of experience, as we discussed earlier, knowledge of the scripting languages like SQL, Perl, Python, XML, Ruby, etc. So it is not mandatory that you know all these technologies. You must be knowing at least one programming languages like Python or XML or Ruby, etc. Ability to write code in C or C++ or Java. Ability to understand the functional or the technical specifications and analyze the data. Then strong organizational and the problem solving skills with great attention to details, including the ability to track the multiple test execution simultaneously and synthesize the result. So these are the basic or the minimum requirements you can say, or the qualifications you can say for this job role. Then the preferred qualifications. So preferred qualification is same as of the minimum or the basic qualification, so need not to repeat it again. So these are the basic or the minimum requirements or the preferred qualification. So the preferred qualification and the basic qualification both are same. So you must be knowing the basics like the scripting languages SQL or Python and ability to code in C or C++ or Java. That means you must be knowing one programming language, minimum of one programming language, and ability to understand the functional technical specifications and the analyze data, again same thing. So let me take you to the official website where you can apply for this job role if you are interested or if you are eligible. So this is the official website of amazon.com. So if you want to apply for this job role, you need to click on the apply now button here. So after that you will be able to apply for this job role. So here you can see all the things, basic qualification, preferred qualification, etc. So you might be thinking that most of the time we have applied for this job role, but in return we have not received any interview date or test link or any even the regret mail, because the companies like Amazon or Facebook or Myntra or you can say Flipkart, they prefer or provide much preference to the candidates those who have the references. So please try to get the reference. That means please try to connect the people those who are in Amazon so that you'll be getting the references. So if you have references for the specific job role, then we will definitely will be getting the interview call or any interview test link. So if you are interested for this job role, please apply for this job role before the job role expires with the valid reference. So if you have any doubt regarding this job role or other job role, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to apply for this job role before the job role expires. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.